package! Hi guys! Today I finally got my package! So this is an unboxing video. This is my second unboxing video right after my Nendoroid Miyuki. Alright, so here we go. Let's open it up. Remember in one of my journal entries where I said that one of my Yui plushies was sold out? Well, I ordered another Yui plushie, only she's in a different outfit. And I got some other two characters as well, which I'm not telling. Which one comes first? Is it one of them? Is it two of them? Or is it all three? Let's just see for ourselves. And sorry for the bad audio. Okay. I have terrible filming. Forgive me. Rats. Alright, time to open this up and see what's inside. I got Hunny Senpai from Oran High School Host Club. Alright. He came first! I'm so happy. I thought the other two would come first, but I guess I was wrong. So, here we go. Let's open it up. I will post my Hunny Senpai impression later on. And stuff. I think you can hear me. I'm trying to get this open. This stinks. Oh, okay. I finally got it open. Woohoo! Yay! I'm so happy. He's so adorable. He was probably like the best Oran High School Host Club plushie I found. He's so adorable.